Srimad Bhagavatam verses most often quoted by Srila Prabhupada. So today we will learn the first verse. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.1.1. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Janmadesya Yatonvayaditarataschardeshvabhignyaswarat Tene Brahmaridayadi Kavaye Muhyanti Yatsuraya Tejo Varimridam Yata Vinimayo Yatra Trisargo Mrisha Dhamna Svena Sada Nirashtakuhakam Satyam Param Dhimahi. This is the first verse of Srimad Bhagavatam, and Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he explained this for 3 months, where the essence of Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters and 700 verses. The essence of Bhagavad Gita is Sarva Dharman Parityaja. That is, you should surrender to Krishna. So where Bhagavad Gita ends, Bhagavatam starts by offering pranams. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya means I'm offering my pranams to Lord Krishna. Okay, so that is the meaning of the first line. That is, I'm offering pranams to Lord Krishna, who is the son of Vasudev. And the son of Vasudev is Vasudev. And then let us see the meaning further. Janmadhyasya means Lord Krishna, he is the cause of all causes. Sarva Karana Karanam, as it is said in Brahma Samhita. So he is the cause of creation, maintenance, destruction of everything. Abhignya means he knows everything. Anvayad itarataschatyasya means everything indirectly and directly. That is, he knows everything that is happening. And Swarat means he is independent. He is not dependent on us. We all are dependent on the Lord, but the Lord is completely independent. Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kavaya means he is the one who imparted the knowledge in the heart of Brahma. As Brahma, he did tapasya for so many 100 years of Brahma's time. And then, pleased by Brahma's austerities, the Lord appeared before him and he gave him the knowledge. So that is why it is said the Lord directly imparted in the heart of Brahma. And then Muhyanti Yat Suraya, Tejo Vari Mridam Yatha Vinimayo. Like how when we go to the desert, we are confused, or by seeing the mirage to think that there is water supply. Same way, the great sages and devatas, they are always unable to understand him. That is Muhyanti Yat Surya. It's very difficult to understand the Supreme Lord. Vinimayo Yatratri Sargom Risha. The material universes appear to be real, although they are unreal. At the same time, Dhamna Svena Sada Nirashtakokam describes the divine abode. The material universe where we are staying, that is unreal. There is illusion, but there is no illusion in the divine abode, the Golok Dham, where Lord Krishna resides. That is described as Dhamna Svena Sada Nirashtakokam. And then Satyam Param Dhimahi. I meditate on that absolute. So the first verse is a definition of the absolute truth.